Dear students, today in accountancy, under the chapter Introduction to Accounting, we are going to discuss various qualitative characteristics or attributes of accounting information. Qualitative characteristics or qualities necessary for information serve as a major supporting role in the decision usefulness, decision model approach to accounting theory. Accounting information that is reported to facilitate economic decision should possess certain characteristics. The information must be useful in the formulation of objectives, the making of decision, or the direction and control of resources to accomplish objectives. Here are some of the qualitative characteristics of accounting information. Qualitative characteristics of accounting information includes reliability, relevance, understandability, and comparability. Now we will discuss these qualitative characteristics one by one. First of all, we are going to discuss the very first qualitative characteristic, that is reliability. Reliability is described as one of the two primary qualities, that is relevance and reliability, that make accounting information useful for decision making. Reliable information is required to form judgment about the earning potential and financial position of a business concern. Reliability means the users of accounting information must be able to depend and rely on the information supplied, and it must be factual and verifiable and free from errors and personal biasness. The accounting information is said to have verifiability if such information can be verified from source documents such as cash memos, purchase invoices, sales invoices, agreements, and other similar documents. Verifiability ensures the truthfulness of the recorded transactions, which can be independently checked by anyone interested to ascertain the true position. What? If the source documents are not available, then the accounting information will not be capable of being verified and hence cannot be relied upon. It is the responsibility of management to report reliable information in its annual reports. The goal of reliable information can be achieved by management if it applies generally accepted accounting principles appropriate to the enterprise circumstances, maintains proper and effective system of accounts and internal control, and prepares adequate financial statements. Another qualitative characteristic of accounting information is relevance. Relevance is closely and directly related to the concept of useful information. Relevance implies that all those items of information should be reported that may help the users in making decisions. In general, accounting information depicted by the financial statements must be relevant to the objectives of the enterprise. Information is relevant if it meets the needs of the users in decision making process. To be relevant, information must be capable of influencing the decisions of the users. Unnecessary and irrelevant information should not be included in the financial statements. For example, the information regarding the rate of dividend paid by a company in previous years is a relevant information for the investors, since it provides a basis for forecasting future dividends. The question of relevance arises after identification and recognition of the purpose for which the information will be used. It means that information relevant for one purpose may not be necessarily relevant for other purposes. Information that is not relevant is useless because that will not help users in making decisions. The relevant information also reduces decision makers' uncertainty about future acts. Another qualitative characteristic of accounting information is understandability. Understandability is the quality of information that enables users to perceive its significance. The benefit of information may be increased by making it more understandable and hence useful to a wider circle of users. It means that the information provided through the financial statements must be presented in such a simple and logical manner that the users, such as investors, lenders, employees, etc., are able to understand it. A person who does not have any knowledge of accounting terminology should also be able to understand it without much difficulty. This can be done by giving relevant explanatory notes to explain the information given in the financial statements. Understandability and other qualities of the information should be determined in terms of broad classes of users rather than particular user group. Since financial reporting of company aims at general purpose external reporting, all relevant users' needs should be considered in deciding the understandability of the information, and no decision should be based on specific circumstances of individual decision makers. That is, accounting information should not be limited to the interest of the average investors or sophisticated users, but in fact, information should be ordered and arrayed to serve a broad range of users. Another qualitative characteristic of accounting information is comparability. Economic decisions require making choice among possible course of actions. In making decisions, the decision maker will make comparisons among alternatives, which are facilitated by financial information. Comparability means that the users should be able to compare the accounting information of an enterprise either with the accounting information of other enterprises, known as inter-firm comparison, or comparison of one accounting period with that of another accounting periods, known as intra-firm comparison. Comparison reveals the strong as well as weak points of the enterprise, and it is possible only when the accounting period, accounting concepts and conventions are used consistently by the management. Comparable financial accounting information presents similarities and differences that arise from basic similarities and differences in the enterprise or enterprise and their transactions, and not merely from difference in financial accounting treatment. Information, if comparable, will assist the decision maker to determine relative financial strengths and weaknesses and prospects for the future between two or more firms or between periods in a single firm. Accounting information must possess all these qualitative attributes. However, the significance of financial reporting is reduced to a user who lacks understandability and comparability of the accounting information. In the next video, we will be discussing role of accounting in business and various basic accounting terms. Till then, thank you.